It's so easy to make your own pickled and fermented peppers. I'll show you what you need. For this recipe I use 6 jars with a capacity of 1 liter or 1 quart each. In order to have success with this recipe, the most important is to have fresh peppers. Start cutting the carefully washed peppers in sizes that fit the containers you plan to use. Then remove the core and seeds from each pepper. Once the peppers are ready, you can start to fill the jars. Stuff the pepper pieces as best you can, knowing that they soften a little when pickled, and you won't have any problem getting them out of the jar. I'm adding a few bay leaves into the jar for flavor. When all the jars are full, proceed to make the pickling liquid. The salt for making brine must be coarse and additive-free. Use white wine vinegar 6% acidity. In a large pot, mix 3 liters of water with 3 teaspoons of peppercorns and 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add the vinegar and salt. Bring the liquid to boil and simmer for about 3 minutes, or until the salt is dissolved. Before filling the jars with hot liquid, it is good to place a kitchen towel on the counter to avoid direct contact with a cold surface and prevent the glass jars from breaking. Then start filling the jars by adding hot liquid little by little in each jar until the level of the liquid covers all the peppers inside. At the end, add 1 tablespoon of oil in each jar. It will make the peppers shiny when taken out of the jar. Cover the jars with lids but do not tighten them. Leave the jars on the counter for 3 days. During this time, the pickling process starts. Then tighten the jars and transfer in the refrigerator. Now the moment of truth, let's see what happened after 2 weeks in the fridge. My pickled and fermented peppers are still firm and they taste delicious. When it gets cold outside, I will transfer the jars in my cold room. A temperature between 4 to 6 degrees Celsius is best for storing these homemade pickled peppers. Enjoy! Well, that was it. I hope you liked it.